Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we tackle all your cleaning conundrums. Today, we're diving deep into the age-old debate. Upright vacuum versus canister vacuum. Many homeowners find themselves torn between these two options, wondering which one reigns supreme in the world of cleaning. Well, fear not. We're here to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. So, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. First, let's take a look at the physical design of these vacuums. Upright vacuums are known for their vertical build, with the motor and suction head all in one unit. On the other hand, canister vacuums consist of a separate canister unit connected to a flexible hose and cleaning wand. This design difference brings us to our first point of comparison: maneuverability. When it comes to maneuverability, canister vacuums tend to have the upper hand. Their compact canister unit allows for greater flexibility in reaching tight spaces, such as under furniture or on stairs. Meanwhile, upright vacuums are generally more suitable for larger open areas, as their design allows for efficient forward and backward movement. Consider your home's layout and the specific areas you need to clean when deciding between the two. Now, let's talk about suction power, a crucial factor in any vacuum cleaner. Upright vacuums often boast powerful motors that deliver strong suction, making them highly effective in removing deep-seated dirt and debris from carpets. Canister vacuums, on the other hand, may have slightly less suction power, due to the longer airflow path from the cleaning head to the canister. However, they excel in versatility, as many canister models offer specialized attachments for various surfaces, such as hardwood floors or curtains. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.